I have made a series of very bad decisions, and I cannot make another one.
Why did you make these decisions?
For the good of my family?
Then they weren't bad decisions. What does a man do, Walt? A man provides for his family.
This costs me my family.
When you have children, you always have family. They will always be your priority, your responsibility. And a man provides. And he does it even when he's not appreciated, or respected, or even loved. He simply bears up, and he does it because he's a man.